Hi guys, let's learn Thai. For this episode, let's go back to basic. We are going to teach about numbers. Counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Listen how I pronounce it. I did pronounce like 1 2 3 4 The way that I pronounce, I push the tone down. 1 2 3 4 5 It's not just 5 it's 5 with longer sound. 6 7 8 9 10 And once you call 10, which is 10, then the next one, you say 10 at the beginning and then the number after it. Only that you need to remember, when number 1 is at the end, instead of pronounce it 1, you say 8. So 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 And the second, remember, when it's 20 or 20 something, instead of saying 2, we say ye. So 20, ye 10. And then you start with ye 10 and then the number 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 And since 30 or 30, you just say the number as it is. 30 35 39 40 42 50 59 60 But still remember, if 1 is the ending, you still need to say it at the end. 61 70 71 73 80 82 85 90 91 99 And when it comes to 100, then you say 100. And after 100, it's 1000, we say 1000. For 10,000, we say 10,000. For 100,000, we say 100,000. And for 1 million, we say 1 ล้าน. For example, 9,876,541. In Thai, it is 9,876,541. This is the basic of numbers in Thai language. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to come to study Thai language at our school, just contact us, send us a message or call us, and you can come for a trial class and see if you like it. ไปกันแล้วนะ สวัสดีค่ะ